going to go out and explore the Trang.
So we're gonna explore the beach and gonna eat some food.
That's about it.
Yeah.
So first impressions of Nha Trang is, I don't know, it's like 10, 15 degrees warmer here. It's a bit more hot, which is always a good thing for us. But just walking down like the little like beach walkway, it's packed full of people. People still ride scooters on the sidewalk.
Yeah, an initial reaction to this area is it feels more relaxed a little bit. Just the beach is a lot wider, but there's a ton of people here just enjoying themselves. And right now, it is a lot warmer though. Instantly you walk outside and I'm like, I can feel the heat difference. So it's kind of nice. I love it. The water seems a lot smoother right now, but I don't know. I think we're really gonna like this place.
All I know is that I have some shitty friends, okay? Because would any of my friends give me a back massage? Some of my female friends might, like my wife, but I got a whole massage train going. So the city, like very first off, feels very much like Da Nang, but like crossing the street is just absolutely crazy. We in Da Nang you've got like stoplights and proper crosswalks, and here it's just roll the dice and pray you don't get hit by a scooter or a bus. So now we're off to go get something to eat. Last night we had Caitlin got Grab, like Texas fried chicken, which tasted cold-heartedly red-blooded American. It was delicious. But tonight we're gonna venture out, actually go get something for dinner and take you along for the journey. So if you haven't already subscribed, we've got hundreds of thousands of viewers and watchers and not a lot of subscribers. So if you could take just a moment out of your day, it's absolutely free. Just hit subscribe. It would truly, tremendously show us that people actually enjoy watching these videos. So we appreciate it.
I'm not sure what the food's gonna taste like yet, but it's already a win because we got these giant beers for 38 cents. Oh, thank you.
What did you get? What is it? Try it. Might be beer. Think it's beer?
It looks like my beer. Cheers.
Looks like apple.
Tea.
Is it tea? Do you like it? Yeah? Chase has not been a fan of the drinks here in Vietnam. So he insists on just bringing his water. We don't encourage like soda or, like preservative type drinks. But he doesn't even like the fresh juices. Like they just don't taste good to him. So that's why he always brings his water. And he just had his first tea. I think he liked it. Your face. It's different. Is it good or is it bad? Or is it in the middle? Middle, okay.
Should Dad try it?
Let's try it. Nope, I have not had this. It's green tea. I think it tastes good. Needs like you know, for people from Georgia, we need about a gallon of sugar, but pretty good. Saigon beer, muy bueno. How was it, Chase?
Great. We have some salt, and my favorite French fries are the saltiest. So I just dunk salt on them better than ever.
Welcome back to Nha Trang, Vietnam. Chase, what are we doing today?
Going to the beach.
Yes, we're headed to the beach. We're gonna check out the beach. We're gonna get in the water. And just be a tourist, I guess.
And when we walk 2 feet into the water, it's gonna be shoulder deep. Yeah.
You think so?
Yes. Last time, 2 feet, shoulder deep. Really?
You been at this beach?
No, but last time, remember when we saw them,
Oh, yeah.
a bunch of people, 2 feet, shoulder deep. It was so crazy, and they were adults. Yeah.
Anyways, and also Caitlin is booking an excursion for tomorrow, which we're excited about.
All right, we're good to go for tomorrow. We need to be down here at 8:30 in the morning.
8:30 in the morning?
8:30 in the morning.
It's gonna be an early morning. No beers tonight.
No, we're not going drunk.
I don't think it's something that I will ever get used to is crossing the street here in Vietnam. It is by far the wildest and scariest thing. Because in the United States, like, you know, you look both ways and vehicles are, by law, you are subject to, like, yield to pedestrians. And if you don't, you will get a ticket or you'll hit someone with your car. Here, there's no such thing. And it's real world life training for Mr. Chase.
No, so I actually got used to it 100 days ago. So
It was funny. A couple months ago, I was in Las Vegas, and they've got these giant crosswalks, and there's hundreds of people waiting to cross the road. And I just like legitimately just like stepped out into the road and just started crossing. And there were people who were like, "What are you doing? Like, that's so dangerous." And I'm like, it's dangerous not to cross right now. It's like clear. Like, I'm not gonna wait for the stupid sign. So I don't know. Sometimes our adventures in Southeast Asia, they don't translate well back in the United States.
I'm not gonna get used to the whole crossing the street thing because it stresses me out. Because every single time we go, like I'm trying to position Chase where he's on the opposite side, like the traffic, so the traffic won't hit him first if we do get hit. Because there's a good chance we might get hit. It's stressful.
So today there's a lot of days where like we don't typically film because, well, it's not the most exciting content. So today is more of it's a pretty relaxing day. We got up, made some phone calls, had some chats with our family over in California, and got some work done, very little work. And now we're doing one of the things that we really like to do is just go to the beach and relax. It's one of those free activities. At least I think it's free. It's one of those activities that's just kind of, it's easy to do, especially here in Vietnam. It's just so close. And the beaches, like as we get further south, I think they're getting nicer. Like the water's gonna get warmer, the weather's nicer, the sun is really strong. And it's just one of those things that we're excited to do. So we just got a quote for one of the 2 like lounge chairs and an umbrella. It's $200K, about $7.75. Is that a good deal? I have no idea. I have no idea because typically when we go to the beach, we just bring our own towels and we don't rent these things. So we'll see. Maybe we'll venture down the beach a little bit further and find a better deal, maybe, or
maybe we won't, but we'll see.
I don't know. Leave a comment below if you like to rent chairs and umbrellas. Because we just typically don't. I don't know why, but maybe we enjoy getting sunburned. I don't know.
Well, we're not exactly used to it, so
We usually go to beaches that don't have any people on them.
yeah. Well,
There's also quite a few trees. Like we can find shade on the beach without getting an umbrella if we truly want to. So it's not that big of a deal. But it is a luxury item that is a lot cheaper here in Vietnam than it would be in the United States. So
I don't even know how much it would be in the United States.
I want to say in Florida when we did it, we would paid
$100 all day?
I think it was all something like
yeah,
that.
like I would say it's like 150. Well, probably.
Mark, get set. Go. What in the world?
You got me! You got me all wet!